What's on our list today?
We need tomatoes, potatoes, and capsicum.
Are we getting any leafy greens?
Yes, let's get some spinach and coriander.
How about onions?
Definitely, we use them every day.
Do you prefer fresh or frozen vegetables?
Fresh is always better.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I really like bell peppers. What's yours?
I'm a big fan of potatoes.
Are we getting any fruits today as well?
Maybe some apples and bananas?
Sounds good. Should we take the big bag?
Yes, the big one will be helpful.
Do you know where the nearest vegetable market is?
It's just around the corner.
Is it usually crowded?
Sometimes, especially in the evenings.
What time do you think is the best time to go?
Early mornings are usually less busy.
Should we make a proper list?
Yes, that would be helpful to stay organized.
Do you know any good vendors?
There's one near the entrance who has very fresh produce.
Perfect, we can go there.
Sounds delicious. What kind of spices do you use?
A mix of cumin, coriander, and turmeric.
Do we need any cooking oil?
I think we have enough for now.
Should we check the prices before we go?
Good idea. That can help us budget.
What's the approximate budget for the vegetables?
Around $50 to $70.
Are we getting any exotic vegetables?
Not today. Let's stick to the usuals.
Should we take the car?
It might be easier to carry the bags.
Is there anything specific you want to look for?
Just fresh and good quality.
Do you need any organic vegetables?
If the price is reasonable.
What's your favorite meal to cook?
I love making vegetable palau.
That sounds perfect for dinner.
Are we getting any cooking oil?
I think we're good for now.
Do you remember the ingredients for the curry?
Yes, tomatoes, potatoes, and capsicum.
And the leafy greens?
Spinach and coriander.
Are you bringing the shopping bags?
They're in the car.
What time should we leave?
How about 30 minutes?
Sounds good. I'll get ready.
Are we taking the car or walking?
Let's take the car. It's more convenient.
What's the first store we should visit?
The one near the entrance with the fresh produce.
Do you need any specific quantity?
Just medium amounts for the week.
Are we getting any herbs?
A small bunch of mint and parsley.
What about ginger and garlic?
Yes, pick up a small quantity.
Should we look for any particular type of potato?
The standard ones should be fine.
Is there any specific meal you're planning for the weekend?
A big vegetable stir-fry.
What time do the market close?
Around 5 p.m.?
We should plan to be back by 4:30.
Agreed. Is there anything else you can think of?
I think we have a good plan now.
Me too. Thanks.